Protect your diesel engine with Parker Racor Turbine Series Fuel Filter Water Separator 751000FV10, the most trusted solution for fuel filtration. With a 360 GPH flow rate, this dual turbine assembly removes water and particulates from fuel using a 3-stage process: water separation, coalescing, and filtration. Equipped with Racor's proprietary Aquabloc media, this system offers 98% efficiency at 10 microns, extending the life of your fuel system and preventing costly injector damage. The corrosion-resistant construction and self-venting drain valve ensure durability and easy maintenance, while the clear contaminant bowl allows quick inspections. Ideal for agriculture, construction, power generation, and oil and gas industries. This filter supports diesel and biodiesel engines, saving time and money by reducing unplanned maintenance. Upgrade your engine protection today. Visit us at www.offshoredimensionsparkerstore.com or call us at 0909-482-1645 or email us at sales@offshoredimensions.com to order now.